How often do you clean up your Windows 10 laptop? It is a good habit to clean junk files in Windows 10 because it can free up more space and improve your computer performance. But, do you know the methods to make your computer clean safely? In this video, I would cover 5 common steps to safely clean junk files from Windows 10 laptop. Also, let me know how much space you saved following these steps in the comments section. Step 1. Remove temporary files from Windows 10. Open Windows Start menu and search %temp% and hit enter. It will open the folder where Windows 10 stores the temporary files. These files are useless, collected here over time, and make your Windows 10 laptop slower day by day. It is best to delete all these files. Simply select all these files using Ctrl+A and delete them permanently. If you get this file in use error, just tick Do This for All Files option and click on Skip. Well, we are not done with this step. Windows has one more folder in which temp files are stored. Open Run box. Type temp and hit enter. Here, you will see more temporary files. Simply select all files and delete them permanently. You will need admin privileges to delete these files. Again, tick Do This for All Files and click on Skip. Step 2. Delete Windows Prefetch files. These are the temporary files stored in the system folder name as a prefetch. To delete prefetch files, open Windows Run box. Here type prefetch and click on OK. You will need administrator privileges to open this folder. Select all the files using Ctrl+A and delete them permanently. Step 3. Remove junk files from Windows 10 via Disk Cleanup tool. Disk Cleanup is the built-in feature of the Windows 10 system, which can help users to get rid of junk files in Windows 10. You can choose any disk to clean up and free up more space. Search Disk Cleanup in the Windows search box and then open it from the result. Now, you can select any drive you want to clean up. Always choose C drive firstly, and then the other drives. Click OK to continue. Under Files to delete, you can tick the file types to remove from the computer, such as Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, and Thumbnails. After that, click the OK button and Disk Cleanup tool will do the work for you automatically. Remember, don't delete the Downloads folder, as it may contain important data. You can see, it will clean 4 GB data in my computer. Disk Cleanup will take some time to delete all files. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Windows 10 cleanup videos. Now after cleaning is done, reopen Disk Cleanup as an administrator. Select your C drive and hit OK. Disk Cleanup will open after calculating your disk usage. Now this time, you can also delete Windows 10 Update files. Simply tick all Windows Update files and delete them. This will free up large amount of space from your C drive. This will take some time, depending upon the size of the files and the speed of your hard disk or SSD. Step 4. Delete Windows 10 Update files. You must have noticed that every time you update your Windows 10, your C drive's free space shrinks. This is because Windows 10 Update files are stored inside your C drive even after Windows is updated successfully. Now in order to delete these files you have to dig down in your C drive. First open your C drive. Here you will see a folder named Windows. Open this folder. Now, scroll down, you will find a folder named Software Distribution. All Windows Updates files are stored in this folder. You can see the size of this folder from Properties. If you have recently upgraded your Windows, this folder size could be approximately 10 GB. Select all files and delete them permanently. Step 5. Delete Windows Old folder. After you install the major update on Windows 10, Windows Update Manager takes backup of your old Windows version and stores it inside Windows Old folder. This folder takes approximately 30 GB space in your C drive. If you're happy with the updated Windows 10, then this folder is not useful to you. You can simply delete this folder and free up your C drive. Well, that's all for this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay alive.